It blinked 3 times. Again. Because it's restarting. Alright, crap, it cut off the 5 in G5. Not bad. Alright, so here we are. Clipboard is empty. Show the desktop. Notifications. New version of Ubuntu is available, okay. We're connected to the internet. Got some stuff there. Oh, I think I locked it up. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so this one comes with yet another weird web browser. This one called Reconk. And it's kind of cool because the windows go translucent when you move around. So yeah, looks like it's working. Can we watch YouTube videos? What? Another one of these? You're kidding me. No, wait, this is the same one. Oh shit, he's gonna make another one? Did he make another one yet? No, not yet. I'll be waiting. Subscribe. Shit. I don't hear anything. So, probably it doesn't know how to use the internal speaker. It does say the volume is up all the way. It says dummy output. That's not very comforting. It's possible that it's not actually outputting any audio at all at this point. Which isn't a big deal. I can try plugging in a little deal like this. Uh-oh. We are sorry, K-Mix closed unexpectedly. Closed. Wait, K-Mix is the thing that I use to, K-Mix is the thing I use to actually turn up the volume and select my audio devices. So I may need to find where that is. K-Mix? There it is. See if it'll let me relaunch it. It does, and now we have a different volume level here. Here we go! USB audio device analog stereo. So hey, that's one up on OpenSUSE. This actually can detect this little Sabrin audio adapter I've plugged in. Now let's see if it'll actually play back audio. Okay, well, K-Mix crashed again, but I'll make it happen. Alright, so I got my speaker plugged into the wall. Let's plug it into the sound source here. Yeah! And it works! Now, I don't know if I can plug it into the audio jack on the back of the computer and it'll just work, but I kind of doubt it. You probably would need to use one of these to get it working, but the web browser seems to be working just fine. All the video is smooth as butter. Audio working. Power Mac G5. Now, while that's going on, let's see if we can get any sort of system information. This is a Partition Manager, which is sort of its own kind of thing. Of course, we don't see the SSD. Oh well. It's for some reason an HFS thing in there. I guess that's for booting the PowerPC stuff. There's a lot of stuff in here. I haven't quite found anything that looks like system information yet. There's something called K Info Center. Here we go. This is incorrect. That's interesting. Shared memory, swap memory, physical memory, yeah, so it was like 3.5 gigs, like I said. So a lot of this stuff gets down to the nitty-gritty. I really just wanted to see, like, the processor information. I don't think it's going to give it to me. Anything else in here? Most of this stuff I don't even know what it is. So that really doesn't help. So this is just a thing that's inside of this thing. But this says the vendor is ATA. And the bus is IDE. What? Okay. It's got a little bit backwards there, actually, because I think the... Never mind, it doesn't matter. detected that I have an Apple keyboard. Okay. Nothing that gives me sort of like overall system information. Well, let's see if there's a software center. Looks like there is. I think I just googled something called hard info that may have a different thing we can use to look at the CPU, but I don't think it's coming up there. Or maybe it was. Our Magetron. Nope. Not a whole lot of stuff going on here. There's your Magetron. Well, I guess we can see if it's sour. No. We gotta get one of these games working on Linux G5. Jesus, there's a lot of them. Oh, there's Super Tux and Super Tux 2. Super Tux card. There's Tremulous. Fuck it, let's do it. Hey, Taurus Trooper. I remember that game. Install that as well. Uh-oh, I think it's glitched out. What? It says the playhead's right here, but it started over. And now it won't pause. I went back and it scrolled down on the page. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna survive this. I'm not seeing any sauerbraten on here. But of course, we know it's a pretty easy way to... Oh, there it is! Right there. Don't mind if I do. Rise of the Triad. What? How? Our rootage. I remember that too. You know, when Mac becomes your only computer you're using as your main daily driver, you end up finding a lot of Linux games as a result if you're looking for gaming on the Mac platform. This is sort of what happened to me. Our rootage, sauerbraten, Tremulous, Taurus Trooper were all games that I dabbled in. Quake. Fuck it, let's get that too. We need that. Random Tetris game. Fuck it, we'll get it. Potato Guy. Play on Linux. How the hell is that gonna work? Let me try that too. I realize that I'm adding an extra like 20 to 30 minutes of time to the video every time I click install. So if I have to go through all of them, it's probably gonna like crash or have some sort of problem, and I'll be working trying to get it to work again. Neverball. Now I'm sort of guessing that some of this I played Neverball on a G5 on Mac before. Nexus? Hell yeah, let's get that too. Well, I clicked install for a bunch of that stuff, but now I don't know where the list of things that it's installing. I have no idea, so it's just like installing in the background, I guess. Tremulous is installed now, apparently. Will that work? Holy balls, that was fast! Wait a minute! I'm playing Tremulous on Linux on a Power Mac G5. Let's go see if I can find sex again. And how much you want to bet this is going to run more efficiently than this would run on Mac OS X? What's the time to join the club? 30 FPS. Scrim mode is on, so joining teams has been disabled. So that means we should spectate. Can't even join the spectators. Guess I'll just go in here. Seems to be some sort of rendering issues with the models. Like it's going in and out of wireframe. Come back here, damn it! Where'd he go? What the hell? Where did he go? Let's go in here so I can look at stuff. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, that was a terrible name. No, don't freeze right there! Duh! You win this time, people with no taste. Well, luckily I know how to get us out of this one. I think. Shit. Well, Tremulous crashed the entire computer. Had to hard power it off. Even the Control Alt F1 didn't work. Okay, so since it didn't survive Tremulous, what else managed to get installed while we were running Tremulous? Let's see, games. And apparently Sauerbraten and Taurus Trooper made their way on here successfully. Let's try and launch Sauerbraten. Oh, I can hear sound, that's cool. Yeah! Let's go on multiplayer again, I guess. Let's rep it, though. Yeah. Where's that Instagib server? There it is. We're now playing Sauerbraten on a Power Mac G5 on Kubuntu. Uh-oh. Well, the one frame it rendered sure as hell looks good. Take a look at that shiny. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Now, if you take a look at that model right there, it has a similar problem that the Dragoon was having in Tremulous. Something with the objects seemed to not be rendering all the polygons. Now, of course, I don't have the right drivers for this NVIDIA card properly selected. So, hey. Still got the mouse. Maybe I could have actually gotten out of that crash, because now... Maybe this keyboard just sucks, because I should be able to get out of this. The mouse is still working. Yeah, I think it was my keyboard. Nope, that doesn't work. It's still screwed. Even if I plug and unplug the keyboard... No, not at all. I guess we're hard powering down again. I didn't get the whole thing, but Kubuntu has a startup sound. I wasn't actually recording because it was just starting up, but holy crap. There's a bunch of updates available. So let's see if I can go into System. Additional drivers. This is where you turn on stuff like NVIDIA. And something just crashed. Okay, so here's software updates. It found out that Sauerbraten closed unexpectedly. Internal error. Yeah, I think all of the... God, Jesus. Not all packages marked for upgrade. The available packages may require a new update. Just, no. Okay. A new version is available, so it wants to update to the latest version of Kubuntu. I just want to look at additional drivers. And it crashed. Well, shit. Apparently I can't get the additional drivers now. This is marked for upgrade. So I could just let it upgrade, or I could launch another game and let it crash again, which is pretty much what's going to be on my original plan. Play Taurus Trooper, that'll probably crash too. Let's see... What other games got installed here? Go back. So not everything got installed after it crashed the first time. Not that there's anything really that cool going on anyway. So I guess I could just let everything update, just install updates. We can let it run, let it update to the latest, and see how far it goes version-wise. We could be potentially running the most modern version of Linux on the G5. Would you actually want to run Linux on your G5? Just listen to it and you tell me. I didn't think so. So it's now doing something. So we'll just let it run forever and hope it works when it's done. It's taking a considerable amount of time, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Alright, software and computer is up to date. Yay. That took... oh. Are you telling me that every single one of the packages they tried to get installed didn't actually? Oh, I don't even want to know. What is this? I hope I don't go on a frickin' weird upgrade fest nonsense. Go ahead, whatever. Oh, Jesus. Alright, freshly rebooted. I don't know if you can hear it raining. But it's raining. So it looks about the same. Sort of. Let's see if our drivers... Another one? Another update. Well, I guess it kind of has to. I'm on 12 and the current one's 16. I'm sort of digging my own grave here. Well, anyway, let's see if the... damn it. Welcome to 1404. Okay, I went from 12 to... wait a minute. Upgrade. So it downloaded 1404. But, okay. Well, let's see if the drivers work now. Hope it doesn't crash. Yeah, alright. No proprietary drivers are on use on the system. Okay, where do I get them? OpenGL information, that might help. Okay, alright, now we're actually getting somewhere. Okay, so this is the OpenGL information. 3D accelerator, G4 6600, I don't know if it's the LE. Noval, renderer, gallium. I don't know how much this is going to tell me, but a couple Apple things in there I saw. Somewhere. Am I going crazy? I am going crazy. So this is all rendering information for OpenGL, which is what makes Sauerbraten, Tremulous, and pretty much anything else possible. So let me just sort of set that aside for the time being. Go back to that software center. See what we missed. Ooh. Install that R rootage. Hell. Okay, R rootage was successfully installed. Okay, all right. Sort of interrupted what I was doing, but Tremulous is installed already. There's a lot of emulators on here as well, like Visual Boy Advance, stuff like that. What the hell? Let's get Super Tugs. Get that Quake. Play on Linux. Don't know what this is, but I like Frogger. Next is Neverball. And I just realized there is a game I totally forgot about. And it probably should not work, but it very well may. So we're going to let these install. Again, I am just very impressed by how well this is performing, how well this is running, how well I'm able to do stuff and actually install it on the PowerPC architecture. Pretty impressed about that. GLtron, it's not Armatron, but or Armageddon, I think is what it's actually pronounced. I've always called it Armatron. I think it's Armageddon. Dope Wars? Whoa, 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 whoa. Dope Wars drug dealing game. Oh, don't mind if I do. All sorts of fun stuff on this. There's a salt cube, but not the original cube. So we'll let those install. If they are installing. This is still in Tactics and Strategy. Card Games is still in there. Arcade. Taurus Trooper, Super Tux, and the other ones got thrown in there. I guess I'm sort of waiting for the rest of the stuff to get in there as well. But there is one main thing we want to take a look at before we upgrade to 14, and then eventually to 16, which I'm assuming is possible. And that is... fire up the web browser. Probably all guess what I'm doing. Wait, what? Minecraft consulting? Like actual mining? This is what the Minecraft homepage looks like in the parallel dimension where Minecraft never existed. That's creepy. There is no Minecraft.com. It's Minecraft.net, right? I don't care. There it goes. Alright. Minecraft.com. What was I thinking? Alright, so since this works on Linux, we'll just download it, I guess. What the fuck? Download Minecraft for Linux. Yes! Yes! Put it on the desktop. I don't care. Save. You know, I think I actually have to run it with a terminal or something. Oh, of course. I do have to run it with the terminal. Alright. Alright. Java. Yes. Jar. Minecraft.jar. Huh? I have to install all of that shit? Oh, crap. Gotta do the update first. Yeah. Some intense. I don't know why I need the headless one. 5. Or wait, maybe I can just do default JRE, because Java can be found in that package. What the hell's wrong with this thing? Damn it. Cannot get var lib dpackage lock. Open. Resource temporarily unavailable? What the hell? Why wasn't I not recording that? Fuck! Do you hear that? I fucking shit myself just now. Okay, basically what I just said is I was gonna play games until the computer crashed. And I tried running Quake and it didn't do anything, and then I launched this and my ears died. Because listen to this. Well, I guess you guys don't get ear rape, I get ear rape. You're lucky. Okay, fuck. Alright. I think that's why it was blocked, because it's still trying to do shit in the background. Oh, yeah, because it's actually still installing stuff? No wonder the Java runtime environment didn't work. It is still installing stuff in the background. I can't really see what... if it's still installing. Okay. Let's see if I can do it now. Hey, now it's working. Okay, alright, interesting. Very interesting. We're getting somewhere. Okay, or not. Unable to lock directory. So it is still doing something in the background. Following packages were automatically installed and no longer required? So wait, Java was installed alongside the other games I just installed? Let's see. Okay, I don't have it. What the fuck? package system cannot be initialized, your configuration may be broken. Okay, so if anything, it should be all freed up now. We have a locked directory. Okay, so our original plan, play games until the computer crashes. Games, arcade. I want to play Dope Wars so bad. Don't even know what it is yet. See if Tourist Trooper makes my ears rip. Application has crashed on your system now or in the past. Okay, Tourist Trooper's out. Let's keep going. The fuck? Oh, it's not done yet. DOSBox now just popped up. Man, I really need to work on my patience. I still haven't installed our Magetron. I don't really care. How about our rootage? Oh, well, that works. This game is incoherent. BFG HIJKLMNOP URS TUVWX YZ. Tab, caps lock, shift, right shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Why does nothing work? Like a fucking normal F1 through F, I don't know. Does the eject button work? Next game. Arcade. Super Tux towards our rootage. Pix Frogger. That's gotta be simple enough, right? Holy shit. Okay. What? Is there like some sort of multiplayer Frogger? Ah, procedurally generated. Damn it! I was the green, obviously. Red guy always wins. Shit. The red guy won again. I'm done. Okay, next one. Oh. Storm rages outside. Next to this will probably fuck up the computer for all time. Incredibly demanding game here. I don't even know if next to is how to pronounce it at all, but... It's either running at 0 FPS or... If this is the gameplay timer, we're sort of fucked. Yeah, I think we're fucked. Seriously? This locked it up hard enough to the point where I can't use the... Oh my god. Alright, time for a restart. Let me just press the power button and see if that does anything. In before the power goes out. Crap. Yep, got the emergency alert on my phone. I guess I could search up here. Can I search up here? Oh, I can. I don't even know where that came from. And that's startup sound if you didn't hear it before. So, this is the terminal. So, see if it's locked out now. Hey, that's new. Didn't get a YN before. So it should be installing the Java Runtime environment. Watch it churn. Oh, Jesus. And I was going to speed up the footage of this. Looks like I won't have to. Top. Case sensitive. No way. Java vendor OS Arc PowerPC OS name Linux PowerPC 64 SMP. I don't believe it. Alright. PowerPC Minecraft. Not a really difficult thing to do because everything in Java is like running in a virtual machine, so it can really you can really run Minecraft on whatever you want. In this case, PowerMac G5 with this shitty ass video card. Could have had a better one, just saying. But the launcher may not launch though. Since it's starting the launcher, I guess I could just wait for it. It's probably not going to launch without version 16. I'm going to have to do an upgrade. Alright, so I'm going to go with that not working. I'll come back to that later after I try some of these other games. Let's take a look at the driver stuff again. Additional drivers. Will it actually show me anything? Maybe there aren't any drivers needed for this GPU. Maybe it's just good as is. Because it's such an old GPU that the Linux community took care of it already? I don't know. But we tried this. We didn't try this. Let's go straight to Dope Wars. Oh, sweet Jesus. Game new? Hey dude, what's your name? Wrong one, man. Wait a minute, there's multiplayer? Colombian freighter dust in the Coast Guard. Weed prices have bottomed out. Drugs here, cocaine. What the, oh my god! Let's get the weed. Let's buy the weed. Okay. Jet. Brooklyn? I was jetting to Brooklyn, yet it sounded like a train. Addicts are buying opium at ridiculous prices. Okay, so I sort of get how this game works. Basically, you buy something in a place where there's low demand, you transport yourself somewhere where there's high demand, sell it for profit. Apparently, so lewds, whatever the hell that is, seems to be pretty cheap there. So we'll jet someplace else, which I don't know how. Sure, let's get a gun. Rival drug dealers raided pharmacy are selling cheap loot, so even cheaper lewds. Let's go someplace where there's no lewds, I guess. Queens? Viagra? Viagra's legal. Whatever, okay, so let's sell some weed here. I don't know how much profit that's gonna net me, but maybe I should have bought some cocaine. I don't get games like this. I'm in debt? I have 8 bitches? Where did I get all of those bitches? Yet I have 0 guns even though I said I wanted one? Did I bring the bitches with me from wherever I went? Staten Island. Oh, I guess if this is all in New York, then I guess... Okay. I want a Beretta. Would you like to hire a bitch for $102,000? No, I don't have that much money. Or wait, I guess I could go into debt. Ah, damn it. Well, this is fun. A nice lightweight game that would run on any computer with a UI, it seems. So yeah, a real positive and entertaining game for the whole family. At least that game didn't crash like everything else. It's always the simpler things that we remember. Shit. Alright, Neverball. Played this on a PowerMac G5 before. And...
Select.
I have the soundtrack on my iPod. Do I? One of my iPods. Will this just magically work?
Ready, set, go.
I'm almost willing to wager this is running better than it did. Of course, let's remember, the last time I played Neverball on a Power Mac G5, it was with the 5300. NVIDIA GeForce 5300, not a 6600. So you could argue that it's running better because of that, but then again, I don't remember how well it ran to begin with. But yeah, it's sort of like a monkey ball sort of thing. Some things never change. Okay, well, that works.
Select.
So pretty much all the games crash. Let's see if GLtron crashes. Skating is the best. This is where this music came from. I thought it came from our Maestron. Shit. Badass shit. Oh shit. I keep thinking it's WSD. Even has the recognizers and shit. Man, why don't I always get this version? This is way more badass than Armageddon. Time to camp. See if I can get out of here. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh shit. Oh man, I had a good run there, I tell you. Oh man, that music's awesome. Now this is a video game right here, man. Okay, so we've gone through all the games that I looked at. It looks like that is Linux on a Power Mac G5, finally, and it was a very refreshing experience when the Power Mac G5 in question was actually functional. So thanks everybody for watching. I think this is all we need to do for now. I'm going to try and update this to version 16. If there's anything else cool I can do, I'm going to see if I can update to the latest version of Linux. Right now, it wants to update to version 14. I'm going to let it upgrade. And in the future, I may do a video about upgraded version, see if I can get Minecraft working. Probably doesn't like version 12, so there it is. Has to go through a little upgrade fest that pretty much wrecks your Linux. It's really a better idea to install the latest version, but again, we were trying to fit this all onto a CD-ROM. So thanks everybody for watching, and thanks everybody who is now creating custom distributions, Linux distributions, I'm assuming for the channel. We already have somebody who, I'm going to give a shout out to this guy who made Draga 1 OS. I haven't actually tried that yet, but at some point I will. Somebody else is working on another Weed OS with some of the stuff that I use normally, so that's going to be really freaking handy. So thanks a lot, guys, for that. So yeah, we've had a lot of shout-outs today on the channel. I've been having a lot of fun on the live streams. So if you enjoy a bunch of weirdness and fun stuff and occasional operating system installations live, you can watch me at twitch.tv/Draga1. I do stream there semi-regularly. So far it's been about once a week. It is sort of taxing to do a stream a week along with working on the channel, editing, and working full-time. So I don't know how long that'll be able to keep up, but I'll see if I can handle it. Yeah, again, also on Twitter, if there's any problems with uploading a video or there's any kind of weird announcement I need to make, it'll be on the Twitter channel. Where you can watch Twitter videos. Whatever. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to let this run, and you may see this Power Mac G5 in another video, and I'm going to have 2 Power Mac G5s I need to throw away. So, I'll see you guys next time.